Everybody's chasing the perfect physique. Meanwhile, I'm tripping over a curb every time I try to, jump on it. So that's why today we're mixing in plyometrics with some conditioning. I'm talking about some explosive jumps, sled work, the whole menu. Because looking strong and actually being explosive with conditioning are two separate things. So stick around because your fast twitching muscles are about to wake up from a very long nap. Now listen, I'm not trying to go to the Olympics or anything like that. I just like switching it up every now and then because doing the same thing over and over and over again is how your gains fall asleep. So today we're doing a combo, plyometrics for explosiveness and some conditioning like burpees and sled pushes. So the goal for today is athleticism, building that spring in your step that makes you feel like an athlete, not like a, big refrigerator with arms. Because the last thing I want is to have powerful legs, but to move like, I'm in slow motion or walking through 5 feet of powdered snow. So let's grab some water, give ourselves some room, and let's go remind these legs that they were born to fly. Or, at least in my case, clear a curb. Baby steps. All right, the first movement we're doing is box jumps. Now, this is the moment where you find out if my legs are actually explosive or just filled with false advertisement. Now, the move is simple. It's an explosive movement up. You drive up and push the floor down like it owes you money, and then soft landing, like the times where you were sneaking in back to your house after, getting home past your curfew. Big drive, quiet landing. Let's go. Now my form may not be where I want it to be. My explosiveness is not where I want it to be, but baby steps, baby, baby steps. We'll eventually get there. The important thing is just showing up and doing it. Let's go, no procrastination. Okay. My legs are awake, they're slightly furious, and it's definitely, questioning our friendship. But that's good because that burn is your potential complaining on the way out. It's not about how many you do, it's about how violently explosive each one is. So explode like you mean it, land like a ninja, not like a piano that just fell through the roof. All right, so next up we're doing broad jumps. Now this is the same energy as the box jumps, but now this time we're actually moving forward. Like, each jump you gotta move forward like the floor in front of you just like literally insulted your family. This is pretty much like one of those exercises like a throwback gym class, that you probably used to do this at PE during high school. So pretty much we're just gonna like load the arms, explode forward, and so yeah, let's do it. All right, guys, we're going 10 yards. 10 yards, but it literally feels like I'm broad jumping a whole football field. Definitely feel the burn. And that's broad jumps for you guys. Nobody builds an explosive athletic body by staying comfortable. Every one of those jumps is telling your body, we don't do average here. Right now, my legs are shaking, but I've never been so proud of them before. But we gotta shake them out, enjoy this air and keep going. Because the work you do when you're tired is actually the work that changes you. Don't forget to stay hydrated, guys. By the way, I've tried a few water bottles, and this is by far my favorite. It's the Yeti. It really keeps your water like cold for a really long time. And this is I believe the 36-ounce one. I find this to be like the perfect size. The only downside is that it doesn't fit on your typical car cup holder, so it's kind of just chill on your seat, on the passenger seat. But the one size below this one, I think it's like the 26-ounce. That one does fit in the car cup holder. So, but yeah, definitely by far my favorite water bottles. If you want to check them out, I'll leave a link down in the description. All right, the next thing we're doing is jumping lunges. Now, these lunges pretty much decided that walking was too easy and decided to, add a launch sequence. So pretty much you just like drop down, switch legs mid-air, and then you just land in a lunge position with the other leg. Now, it looks graceful when athletes do it, but for me, it's probably gonna look like a baby giraffe that's just discovering how gravity feels like for the first time. But who cares? We're gonna do it anyway. Let's go. You know that fire in your legs right now? That's not pain. That's progress introducing itself. Anybody could do the easy stuff, but this is where people who actually change get separated from the people who just talk about it. You don't quit when it burns. You quit when you're done. And we are not fucking done. One more set. Let's go. All right, the next exercise we're doing is explosive step-ups. Now we're using, this box, and we're not necessarily gonna grab onto this. We're just gonna use it to try to, help us stay balanced if we're losing balance, but we're gonna try our best not to really touch it. So basically, the rule is simple. You basically just step up in an explosive manner, and when you come back down, the moment your foot touches the floor, you're just gonna explode and you're gonna jump right back up like if you just stepped on a Lego. Now, most of you know that feeling. You know that jump when you step on a Lego, how fast you quickly explode back up. That's the kind of movement that nobody teaches you. It just happens. I mean, let me know down in the description below if you've ever stepped on a Lego, and let me know how fast and how quickly, how explosive you were to get that Lego off your damn foot. So that's pretty much gonna be me right now, going up and down this box, lifting my leg quickly like I'm just stepping on invisible Legos. It might look silly, but I don't care. Let's go. This right here, when it burns, when you wanna stop, that's the moment that builds you. Anyone can start, but champions, they keep going up and again. Don't you ever quit on yourself. Let's go, next set. Listen to me. The person you want to become is a person that's watching you right now. Every rep is a promise that you keep to yourself. Your legs are screaming, your lungs are probably on fire, but that is where greatness lives. Right past the point where everybody else stops. The weak version of you, they just want to walk away. Don't let them. We got to stand up, lock in, and go bury every last piece of energy we got onto the last set. The last set is pretty much like sled pushes, except this sled is more of it's got tires. You'll see what I'm talking about. Let's go. Okay, so lastly, we're closing out pushing the torque tank. Now, this is where my legs and we stop being friends. So the rule is simple: head down, drive hard. Because this tank, it doesn't move on its own. It doesn't care about your feelings. So I'm gonna give it everything I got left, which at this point, it's not much, but we'll give it whatever we got. Let's finish it. That's it for today's workout. Now, what I want you to take is this, that nobody is gonna come build you the body that you want. That job is yours, and it comes with one gym session at a time, one set at a time, one rep at a time. Today's Sunday, it's a nice day outside, but it was about showing up and doing the work when quitting and just staying home would have been easier. So if you've been procrastinating like I have for the past decade, this is your sign. You gotta get up, man. Your future self is built by what you do today. Anyhow, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. And And if you really like the video, the YouTube algorithm it says that you also enjoy these two videos right here. This one's good. This one's good. They're both good. Check them out. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Let's go.